So in summary po, ito ang itsura ng epekto ng epekto na dinulot ni TB Adhon, no? So we have 513 families affected or 2,734 persons, no? Sila po ay out of this, no, meron pong 503 na mga pamilya or 2,669 families ang nakatuloy po sa evacuation centers. Ito po ay as of reporting time, no, 8 a.m. Pero makikita po ninyo very fluid, mababa pa po yung ibang data natin because pumapasok pa lang po yung ating mga datos kasi nagre-responde pa yung ating mga katuwang doon sa regional offices. Salamat sa Diyos, we did not yet record any casualties in terms of death, no? But we have 4 injured related to the intensity of Adhon. We have also monitored or reported to us rain-induced landslides, 2. We still have flooded areas, no, 6. Itong damage to houses, I'm sure mababago pa ito, no? May 4 po na totally damaged at 17 yung partially damaged, no? Sa epekto naman po sa ating mga seaports, no, alam po natin na kapag merong tropical cyclone wind signal na nakataas, automatic na po yun sa ating mga pantalan, no, yung ating Philippine Coast Guard, hindi na po nila hinahayaang maglayag yung mga vessels for the safety of the passengers and for the safety of everyone, no? So we have reported 51 seaports affected in regions 4B, 4A, sa Bicol region, sa Central Visayas, of course we have Eastern Visayas and Northern Mindanao. And because of this, meron po tayong 5,969 passengers stranded, no? Mga strandees po ito. Hindi lang po pasahero, kundi meron po tayong rolling cargos, 987. Meron din po tayong 40 vessels na pansamantalang hindi po hinahayaang maglayag. We have 10 motorbangkas also stranded from regions Calabarzon, Mimaropa, Bicol region, Central Visayas, and Eastern Visayas. We have reported 46 power interruptions sa regions 5 and 8. Mostly po dito na ibalik na because just talked to somebody from Eastern Visayas kahapon po, umaaraw na, maganda na raw ang panahon sa kanila. We have 3 airports affected in Region 5, no? And we also monitored 2 communication lines affected, but ito po ay naibalik na. We have 7 flights canceled in the Bicol region and Region 8. And we also have a suspension of class, isa po,